Okay, guys, hope you're well. Even though I'm on a break this week, I'm just taking a bit of personal time. I still want to keep in touch with you guys and make certain you're on the right track, contrary to what some people think. So let's go into Ask Scruff and see the Traders Clinic. So let me just shut that bit down a second. This one's for Shay. Little salute to you, Mikey. Box theory breakout. Close above, below an hour candle. Correct. Has it happened in the first 2 hours or something? Or can it be an entry, for example, when it breaks out after 3 or 5 hours? Right, okay. Well, in the video, it does answer it. It tells you exactly which candle to use. Box theory is the same as kind of London breakout theory. It's an old system, and it still works kind of today. It is mechanical, so some days it's going to take a hit, other days it isn't. So you've got to let these things run as well. Now, what it's building on is the early momentum of the candle. So it's the opening hour is what you're looking for. So if you're in Europe and you're dealing with euro pairs, you want to be looking at either sort of Euro USD, Euro JPY, and for an indices, the DAX, and it'll be between 7 and 8. That's the open, because the European Open is at 7 o'clock in the morning. Now, for the London Open at 8, that's for GB pairs. Now, so things like pound US, pound JPY, pound euro, all that sort of stuff. And if you're looking at an indices, it's the FTSE. Now, that's the best time to use it. There is an argument for it to be used in the afternoon for the New York session. And this is where it gets a little bit odd, because you've got the opening hour between 1:30 to 2:30, because all the economic data normally is released at 1:30, and you give it an hour to settle. But then you have a double whammy, because you've got the New York Open coming in at 2:30. So in theory, you can also use between 2:30 and 3:30, but the market slows down. And you've got to be a bit specific with what you're after. And with the later in the afternoon, you're looking at something like the NASDAQ or the Dow or US JPY for best results. But that's roughly how box theory works in timescales. It's looking for the momentum from the open shift, and it's relying on the money flow coming in. Gives it an hour to settle down, and then you see which direction it's going to run for the next 2 or 3 candles. Hope that helps. Catch you soon.